Hey guys, I'm going to teach you today how to drain your internal reservoir for your Keurig. So these are the steps. Super important. Unplug. First step. Second step, you want to take the tank that you have here, remove it. Then under here, there's 2 screws that we're going to remove. So you see those 2 screws. I'm going to go ahead and take those out. Just removed them, and I'm putting both of the screws in a Ziploc bag because they're so tiny you don't want to lose them. So we're going to set that aside, and this is the tricky part to get this off. You're going to want to squeeze both sides right here, and we're going to push it back to the left. So let me get a good angle. Let's push it. So again, what you're doing is you're just squeezing this and pushing that way. So to the left of the Keurig. So important because let me tell you, I spent like 15 minutes just trying to get this off. It's so easy if you just pinch it, push to the left as you're pinching. That's it. So easy. So let's go ahead, set that aside. And this is what the Keurig looks like on the inside. And I'm so short, I can't get up here. So what you can do, actually, you know what? I'm going to clean this as well. It's sticky right there. Let me clean that because if you have it open, let's clean it. Let's clean it and let's dry that. At least it's not sticky. You have, let me make sure you can see, you have 2 hoses here. You have this one and this one. And what you're going to do is pull this off. Let me kind of move this way so I can get that. And I know people say that there is a zip tie on there. You may have one, you may not. I guess I do, but let's see if I can. So we're going to go ahead and just kind of pull this. Okay, that one's easy. Pull that. And this one is too, it's just I have a bad angle here. Okay, so mine does not want to come off. I'm going to carefully cut the zip tie because that is so tight. I'm just taking a little razor blade and carefully trying to just cut that. You know what? Let me get a pair of scissors. Okay, I'm going to use some scissors. These are super thin. So I'm hoping this will just kind of go in between this zip tie and the tube. Perfecto. All right, so we're gonna just go ahead and take that off, and that's perfect. Now we can go ahead and remove this. And the reason I did that was because it wouldn't come off without it, and I was gonna end up ripping this just because I didn't want to cut that. All right, cool beans, we got this done. Next thing we need is a straw. So the best thing to do is have a bendable straw. You know, those kind that are like accordions and they bend. This is all I could find. So we're gonna see if we can make this work. So what we're gonna do is place this bendy, just like so, which is a homemade bendy. We're just going to place this here, okay, and we're going to kind of do it at an angle like this so we're not cutting off the stream, okay. Now let me reposition. Okay, so we're just going to go ahead, let me make sure that's on, okay, and we're going to just kind of put this on its side a little bit, just like so. Oh, there it goes. It's starting to drain. Wow, and it's hot water too, imagine that. Okay, so actually, you know what? I don't even know if you need that straw because it's still draining. And it's draining enough that it would probably be the same as a straw. Okay, so you can see here how much it's doing. And that's actually better than the straw. And why would you want to do this? I don't know. Let's say you're moving and you want to pack this. You don't want water to leak all over. So you want to drain it. So actually that's coming out pretty good. Because you can feel that extra water in the reservoir, and we're getting ready to move. And I didn't want to pack this knowing that there was water in there. That just kind of grossed me out. to have it packed like that. So we want to drain it. See, that's really coming out. So you don't need a straw like all the other videos. You really don't. Just here, I'm just holding it upside down, and it's really just coming out. And you'll see too that it's coming out of both areas. It's coming out of this side and that side. So it's like a mini waterfall. So that you can shake it a little bit gently if you want. And just when you think there's no more water, there is. And it's hot water. I was surprised. Maybe it was hot because I had coffee like half hour ago. I don't know. Or maybe it just stays hot. That's kind of weird. I don't know. Comment below and tell me, why is it hot? Because really it was about an hour and a half ago I had coffee. So unless it's because I heated it up and it's in the tube and it stays insulated, which, you know, would keep it warm, but it's kind of hot water. It is. It's very hot water. So maybe that's really good insulation. That would be what I think. Comment below. Let me know. I'm curious. Can you believe how much water is still coming out? And when I'm shaking it back and forth, I don't even feel all that water in there anymore. Whereas before you could kind of, you know, move it and you knew there was water inside. Well, when you turn the Keurig upside down, you can see where it's dirty. So now it's a good time to clean it. Get a multitask, get a little Lysol wipe while you're holding it, and let's clean it. It'll be like brand new when you get back to where you're going. Or if you're moving and wherever you're going to go, it'll be all brand new. It'll be a new Keurig. So that's just still a lot, you guys. I hope you guys can see how much that is. All right, so I think that's about it. Let's go ahead and turn it back over. And let me move the camera. Now, there's this hose as well that has water. Well, it's just a little bit of water. Okay, actually, if you just squeeze this, that'll get the water that's in there. It'll just come out right through here. Good, because then we don't have to remove this zip tie. So let's go ahead and let me get my step stool again so I can see. We're going to put it back together. All you're going to do is just slide this back on. And I don't even think I need a zip tie if you put this on pretty good. And let's go ahead and put this back on as well. We're just going to, this would go right through here. We're going to push this, yeah, perfect, and then slide it. Push it. Voila, perfect. And you know what? It is a little cut there, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab a zip tie. Let's do that. Okay, I grabbed a zip tie, and if you don't have any, you can just get them at the Dollar Tree. You're gonna push it this way just to make sure I have it the way. And I'm pushing this as much as I can. We're gonna slide this under, which, you know, it probably would have been good to slide it under first. Now that I got it on there pretty good. Just carefully move this. Okay, so I'm just sliding the zip tie underneath, just like so. And you know what? Let's go ahead and move this pipe back on, or the tube back on. We're gonna go ahead and put the zip tie in. Make sure before you tighten it all the way, it's where you want it. Ta-da! Voila, brand new. Let's use our scissors and cut that. Be careful you don't cut the tube. Okay, perfect. And we're gonna go ahead. Okay, so I'm gonna assume that you would push here and do what you did in reverse. So let's try that. That would make the most sense to me. Let's just make sure. So we push this in. And, oh, we had it up, so you have it up. And we're going to push this, or was it like that? It was like this. All right, so this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna open it, you're gonna slide. Put this back in to put this back in, you're just gonna open this. This slides in between. And then you'll see that these little hooks, or the little round part, will go right in there. And then you're going to push it down. And you should hear it snap, I'm assuming. So, yep, there you go. Now it's on. And you're gonna get those, okay? This is gonna be so much easier. Let's slide it away from the sink so it falls on the towel if it falls. Can you guys see? All right. Again, we're just gonna take this little, perfect. So much easier, you guys. Try that instead. So, okay, then we're gonna go ahead, take the next screw, and let's go ahead and get an angle where I'm not hitting the camera. We're gonna go ahead and just place this right in here. Okay, got this one in. Let's tighten it up. And make sure this one is tightened as well. Perfect. That's it, guys. So it is that easy. And if you're moving, you just want to make sure everything is dry before you pack it. So I'd let it sit, I don't know, a couple hours, dry it yourself. I always like to take a rubber band and put this all together just like so. That's it, guys. Comment below. Let me know if I helped you. Bye.